it's going to make them mistrust their wood supplier. Now, if you're turning out a massive amount of lumber, the likelihood of that happening is pretty good, but minimal, right? So the more steps you put in along the way, the less likely that's going to happen. If you're not putting that kind of system in so that you're really making sure every piece of wood is being checked, you're going to start having multiple people come in. You do your best to do quality work and make sure that everything goes out the door is perfect, but mistakes will happen. But that's the way to really minimize it, you know? You start losing trust with your customers, they're going to find another wood purveyor. So probably make sure that it is no good, you know? Like, depending on what they're doing, they could get so far into the project by the time that you find out or realize that you've got some moisture. It basically means that you have to start back from scratch after investing all this time. So then now that woodworker, kind of the key is to minimize how much time you're gonna spend on a project, right? Or make sure that you're doing it correctly. And so if you get to the end and you're done, you have to start over, you're not going to be able to make the money that you would like to continue to do woodworking. So yeah, it could be more than just frustrating. It can be kind of almost devastating to a woodworker.